This is Avenue with Word Inquiry, and I am Tahir. Today, the topic under discussion in World Day is Mother Day. Why we celebrate it, what is its importance, and what is its history. Let us discuss. Mother Day is the only way honoring the sacrifices of mothers made by their children. So we will prove this by the end of this discussion. Now let us see the history. It was started in America, where Anna Jarvis in 1908 started to campaign to celebrate this day as holiday. The background is this: her mother Anne Revis Jarvis, she was peace activist during the American Civil War. She served for many persons. She also made a club by the name of Mother Day Work Club. In 1905 she died, and her daughter started campaign. But in 1908, US Congress rejected this appeal to celebrate the Mother Day. Not only rejected, but they also make a joke by saying that it should be the day as Mother's Not Day. Then in 1914, the 28th US President Woodrow Wilson accepted this appeal and announced to celebrate the Mother Day on second Sunday of the May. So from this it started. So now what is its importance? Number one, love. It is the only person who loves unconditionally. There is no condition engaged with mother which she loves with her children. The next word. The word mother is itself create emotional situation when we say it's. Then next is the one of the most important personality throughout the world in any religion, in any living organisms, is considered the mother. Now as far as sacrifices, it is the only personality who sacrifice everything for his children, even his life, even her life. He is ever ready to sacrifice everything. So next is, it is the ultimate source of happiness. It is the only personality which is the ultimate source of happiness. And next is, she is the only personality, she is the only person which work only for us, for his children, for her children. So next is, you are wealthy. You are only wealthy when you have your mother with you. Then more phone calls made on Mother Day than any other day of the year. And next is, it is the biggest flower buying day of the year in British. All loves begin and end there, with mother. So no question rises. It depends upon you that whether you spend the day by sitting with your mother or by giving a gift to her. It depends upon you. Thank you.